Do you remember Clippy, the old Microsoft Office assistant that would hover across your screen helping you navigate work and operations like a clever little work buddy? I sure remember, and I've got to say, I kind of miss that little guy too. Have you ever found yourself wishing for a smoother, more intuitive experience across Microsoft platforms? Like what was intended for good old Clippy, there's a possibility of a virtual companion smart enough to understand and act on your commands seamlessly in Word, Outlook, or even Bing. Wouldn't that be sensational? With the advent of more virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa, it seems that Microsoft is now more invested in easing the struggles of keeping up with our overwhelming digital life. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Microsoft Copilot, a feature-packed AI assistant that's making its grand debut across all Microsoft applications and experiences. It's time to embark on a journey where technology truly understands you, making your tasks not just faster, but fundamentally more connected and intelligent. Hey AI Nexus, Alex Shepard here. If they bring back my little paperclip assistant, I'm never going to leave the computer. We're going to be friends for the rest of my life, especially if it's enhanced with AI. I want it, you want it. If you don't know about it, well, you just want it. We're going to settle with that. All right, enough of me ranting and raving about a long-lost memory. Let's get started, shall we? Microsoft just threw a massive event and unveiled something that's likely to change the way we work with technology. Microsoft Copilot. But what is Microsoft Copilot? Well, Microsoft Copilot is a smart AI assistant that's spread across all of Microsoft's applications and experiences. Yeah, I'm talking about everything from Microsoft 365, Windows 11 to Edge and Bing. Copilot is designed to be right there, offering you AI assistance in virtually every part of your workflow on all different Microsoft platforms. Picture this. You're working on a report in Word, and Copilot features in, helping you generate text and tables seamlessly. Or you're drafting an email in Outlook, and Copilot is right there, summarizing your words neatly and efficiently. Microsoft Copilot is there to make your tech life simpler and more efficient. Exciting times ahead, don't you think? Now, this isn't just about making things faster or easier. It's about entering a brand new era where AI is changing our relationship with technology on a fundamental level. With Microsoft Copilot, you can ask for what you need in your natural language, and this smart companion is clever enough to understand, create, or take action based on your request. And the best part? It's finally making its debut, and here's the scoop on when you can get your hands on it. If you're a Windows user, starting September 26th, Copilot will begin its journey on Windows 11. And guess what? It's part of a free update. Using Bing and Edge for your searches and other internet use? Even better. This fall, Copilot's making its way to these platforms too. Just a bit more patience. For those in the business world, Microsoft hasn't forgotten about you either. It's okay, don't worry. Come November 1st, 2023, the Microsoft 365 Copilot version will roll out. Okay, that's awesome. So my big thing is, I like to write. I can write pretty darn well, but you put a crayon in my hand, I wouldn't be able to paint a picture to save my life. With Microsoft Copilot, I think I'm going to be able to do that a whole lot better. Once you come with me and we'll delve into some of the features we are to expect from Copilot, and I'll tell you all about it. Microsoft seems to have a lot of tricks up their sleeve with the features they got on Copilot. Even Paint's got a brand new facelift with advanced features to boot. With AI-enhanced drawing capabilities, you can now remove backgrounds, add layers, and even experience a touch of generative AI. So, who's ready to unleash their inner artist? I know you can't see me, but I'm raising my hand. And I hit the ceiling. Oh, and speaking of artistic tendencies, how often have you struggled to make that one person or object pop in a photo? The Photos app has a neat trick now. With just a click, you can blur out everything except your subject. Plus, if you've ever spent ages trying to find that one photo from a vacation or party, the improved search features will be a lifesaver. I've got a challenge for you. Next time you take a screenshot, try using the revamped snipping tool. Why? Well, apart from the usual screenshot magic, you can now extract text from images or even redact sensitive info. This is wildly convenient for a user like myself. No longer do I have to take the time to crop or select a very specific part of my screen to share information with someone. I can just take a quick snip of the whole thing and then just ask Microsoft Copilot to show only that. That's awesome. All right, but what about Word? Well, Copilot in Word allows you to generate summaries based on other text documents, provide arguments to defend or oppose a thesis, and even rewrite sections or highlights inconsistencies. It can also suggest adjustments to your tone and writing style to better suit your wanted outcome. In PowerPoint, we're looking at AI-generated slideshows from info in a provided file and presentation summaries. Seeing as Excel is already so complicated, Microsoft is making things easier by providing automated features that help make operating a spreadsheet much easier. We're talking AI graph generation, value filters, accounting drafts, and even growth predictions. That's nuts. Also, emails got better too. The new Outlook for Windows integrates various accounts like Gmail, Yahoo, and iCloud, making your life just a tad bit easier. You can also sum up your documents and then have Copilot create an email for you. How cool is that? And those who want an upgraded file exploring experience, the modernized File Explorer and its new gallery feature are waiting for you. For all the content creators out there, Clipchamp's update might just make you feel like a video editing guru. Imagine having scene suggestions and edits tailored just for your content. Sure, Adobe and iMovie and tons of other platforms are out there right now, but Microsoft is saying, hey, look here, you don't need a third party to get things done. Ready to make the next viral video? I am. Now, for the next feature, I happen to think it might end up being my favorite so far. As an avid Notepad user, I've lost far too many good ideas to chance. How many of you have accidentally closed Notepad and lost your notes? Clearly, someone at Microsoft has, because the Notepad just got better. Notepad now saves your session state, so you can pick right up where you left off no matter what happens. Did your battery die out on you? Yeah, no problem. A ghost snatched your computer mid-session. Yeah, whatever. Whenever you get back on, your Notepad is saved and ready to pick up where you left off. Copilot also makes the Microsoft shopping experience better. When you ask Bing for more info on a specific item, it'll ask for your specific requirements and then offer you more personalized recommendations and best prices. Inclusivity is the name of the game, and with the new authoring experiences and natural voices and narrator, Windows 11 is shaping up to be the most accessible yet. And if you're thinking of switching PCs, the Windows Backup feature ensures that transitioning is a breeze. All these features will start rolling soon, but which of them gets you excited the most? Let's know in the comments section. Oh, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on our weekly AI updates. Now, let's proceed to the next feature. Now, I know I keep saying I love this is my favorite, this, that, whatever it may be. But here's my big thing. I'm forgetful. What Microsoft Copilot is going to be able to do for me in my everyday life, that's going to be a lifesaver. So how can Microsoft Copilot be integrated into our daily activities? Let's say you're planning a trip, and Copilot, using your chat history, informs you proactively if your favorite soccer team is playing in your destination city. It's like having an assistant who knows your preferences and gives you real-time, personalized answers. But what if you value privacy? You can turn this feature off anytime, giving you control and convenience all in one package. And for all the shopaholics out there, Microsoft Copilot is revolutionizing the shopping experience. Imagine searching for a product and being asked you more questions to understand your needs better. It's like walking into a store and the assistant knows exactly what you want, ensuring you get tailored recommendations and the best prices. Now let's talk about work. With Copilot, tedious tasks are a thing of the past. It understands you, your job, and your priorities. Forget the days of sifting through hundreds of emails or documents. Microsoft 365 Chat, part of Copilot, navigates through your universe of data, helping you focus on what truly matters. And the best part, it's available for preview customers today. As for creativity, Microsoft's integration of DALL-E 3 and Bing Image Creator is like having a professional artist in your computer, delivering beautiful and accurate images for your projects. It understands your requests better, making your creative process smooth and enjoyable. So this is what Microsoft envisions as having a Copilot to help navigate any task. They've embedded AI-powered Copilots into products, and now they're taking it a step further. Microsoft Copilot unifies these capabilities into a single, seamless experience. It's your everyday AI companion, incorporating context and intelligence from the web, your work data, and what you're doing at the moment on your PC, all while ensuring your privacy and security. How does this all sound to you? Exciting, right? With Microsoft Copilot, it's not just about new features, it's about enhancing your life, making everyday tasks more manageable, and giving you the time to focus on what you genuinely love. Your more efficient, more creative, and more organized self is just around the corner with Microsoft Copilot. So, are you ready to take a step into the future? What about our thoughts? Well, we at the AI Nexus believe that Microsoft Copilot represents a transformative step in enhancing the Microsoft ecosystem with AI-powered assistants. On the surface, it seems like just minimal changes that make things a little more seamless. But on a deeper level, I think it unifies AI capabilities across Windows 11, Microsoft 365, Bing, and Edge, offering a more connected and intelligent digital experience. Better connection and seamless operation is always a good thing in my books. But what do you think? Will you be taking Copilot for a spin? Let us know in the comments. Want to see other developments that are dropping right now in the AI world? Then you definitely need to see this video here.